Hello, welcome back to Easy Wonders. You can see a new design done by using Python Turtle Graphics. You can see how it is drawing. Actually, in this design also, 7 triangles with 7 colors of rainbow. Then next set of 7 triangle. In that each step it shift 15° right. Just by shifting 15° it forms to a circle like that. Okay, the code is on execution. I can explain the code while it is on executing. Okay, you can see the execution here. At the same time I will explain the code. The first line, import turtle as t. We are importing turtle functionalities as t. By importing turtle as t, we can use this t instead of turtle in these all lines. Okay, here all we are using t dot color, t dot forward, like that, instead of turtle dot color, turtle dot forward. Okay, here t dot speed 0, we set the speed as 0. By setting 0 speed we can see we will get this speed. T dot pen size 2, we set the pen size, pen thickness as 2, these lines thickness, that is we set as 2. Then for I in range 111, that is I takes value from 0 to 110. That is, in this for loop total 111 iterations takes place. After taking I a value, then t dot write 15, that is shifting 15 degree here, shifting 15° right, again 15°, again 15°, 15°, 15°, like that it forms a circle. Okay, just turn right, turtle right 15, then it select colors. The next for loop is of colors in violet, indigo, blue, that is 7 colors of rainbow I chose here. In this for loop, in each step t dot color colors, that is select a color. First it select a color, then t dot forward 2 into I, 2 into I distance forward, that is these such lines. The size of triangle, it moves forward with this size. Then t dot left 120, it shift 120°, turn left to 120°. By turning left 120°, we can form a triangle. Then again forward 2 into I distance, then turn left 120, then again forward 2 into I plus 4, that is for getting the next triangle, just 4 distance, 4 extra distance, that is separating each triangle. For separating, here we can see 7 triangles, each triangle is shifted 4 units. 4 units gap is there between each triangle. For that I have done this extra 4 here. Okay, then turn left 120, then again another triangle draws like that. By iterating this total, there are 111 triangle sets of 7 colors are drawn. By doing so, we will get this entire picture. The last 15th line, this line exit on click is used for exiting this window, Python turtle graphic window. By clicking here, this window will get exited. Okay, just for that 15th line used. Okay, and this is the final design of this code. I think you like this design, and if you willing to get more wonderful designs and videos related to Python, turtle graphics and Python, please subscribe my channel. And anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time.